Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today I'm back with another fabric painting video, and this time I painted on our peach color rayon kurti. Yes, this one. And I painted this for a little girl who is in class 7 only. So I did not make any heavy work and just painted some small flower and leaves and added a tiny butterfly to make the design a bit interesting. So please watch the video till the end, and as I always say, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and try this at home, and if you try it, please let me know in the comment section. So let's start the video. I have already placed a board inside the kurti so that the color cannot transit to the lower part. I am applying white and ultramarine blue in the petals and mixing them well. For lips, I am using lemon yellow and sap green. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.